How to see deleted messages on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Messages. Here, if you have deleted the message, you can click on the profile at the top right and go to Archived and see if there are any deleted messages. If you can't find one, open Settings, scroll down in Settings and go to Google. After you're in Google, click on All Services. Scroll down in here and search for Backup. Click on Backup and select Backup Now. After you've selected Backup Now, everything will be backed up. If it was synced earlier, the deleted ones will also be backed up and you will find your message in the Google message here in the main page. And this is how to see deleted messages on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.